Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Friday, May 22nd. This is what you're going to see in this presentation. Snow will be continuing today at high elevations, going from northwest to southeast across central and eastern Idaho. Expected as low as 5,000, 6,500 feet in the central Idaho mountains, although that will be warming up during the day today. In southern and eastern highlands, it'll be more on the order of 7,000 to 8,500 feet, so some areas will get no snow at all. But we'll take a look at that progression, see how the snow level does come down again tonight, and we get snow into Saturday at obviously pretty high elevations. Thunderstorms and showers will start spreading eastward during the morning. In fact, already some places have the showers and thunderstorms in the western part of our forecast area, which would be south central Idaho. And these will intensify during the afternoon for some pretty good thunderstorm activity, basically from the Snake River Plain eastward especially, and in the south central and eastern highlands. There are showers and thunderstorms will gradually decrease through Sunday, and then we expect clear skies now for Monday, so they are lingering a little bit longer than we were previously thinking. And then by next Thursday, so almost a week from today, temperatures in the Snake River Plain around 4,500 feet, they will be approaching 90 degrees. So we are looking for a warming trend, our first real warm wave of our warm season. Here's the satellite. Here is the storm that will be affecting us here over the next couple of days. This will break off from the main low, which continues to rotate out here. And this will cross through today into tonight and tomorrow and Saturday night. And then by Saturday night, it'll be far enough east of us where it's only affecting on Sunday, basically places east of Idaho Falls, and maybe including Idaho Falls and Pocatello. So the impact today, we're looking for thunderstorms and snow. Winds should not be as bad as they have been the last couple of days. We'll take a look at that as well. There's no lake wind advisory today. For Saturday, you can see the threat of thunderstorms continues in the Snake Plain, the southeast highlands, eastern highlands, and Lemhi County. So sort of the northern edge along the Montana border and the eastern edge along the Wyoming border is the best chance for thunderstorm activity. And then elsewhere, we're just looking at a slight chance of thunderstorms. You see, by Sunday, the slight chance is reduced to just the highland areas along the Wyoming border. As I said, Monday should be pretty clear. And then Tuesday, there is a slight chance returning to this same area, basically along the Montana border, and then into the central Idaho mountains. So that would include the eastern highlands, the Victors, Driggs, Island Park, all the way over to Lemhi County. And again, this is just a slight chance. And so with all these clear skies with a little active weather going on means we will start warming up. Frankly, by Monday, we'll be near average temperatures for this time of year, which would be around 70 degrees for the populated cities in the Snake River Plain. And then we'll start soaring above that for Tuesday, at least through Thursday. So low temperatures we are expecting this morning. You can see, again, the really cold temperatures here in the central Idaho mountains are creating the snow. It's basically anything bluer than this white condition here, this bluish white contour. So this is definitely below freezing here in these blue mountains, and so that's what's going to be causing the snow. You can see there's not much improvement in the afternoon. These are the highs, so some of these places still staying at or near freezing. And temperatures struggling. This is pretty much the coldest day of the week. Temperatures you can see in the lower to middle 50s. And after this, we'll start a warming trend. But overnight tonight, though, one of the coldest nights. You see all this area that's going to be getting snow, and even some areas over here now below freezing in the eastern highlands. And the high temperatures, see, they start to turn back. Still pretty cool for Saturday. Like I said, getting warmer on Sunday, and by Monday back to near normal. The snowfall amounts, this is what likely has been occurring overnight. You can see it sort of subsided a little bit from yesterday afternoon and yesterday evening. And then snowfall amount this morning starts out here in the higher elevations and continues, shrinks a little bit, especially over the Wood River Valley. But then this evening it sort of makes a return, and then late tonight it starts spreading south and east of the Snake River Plain, starting to get here into the eastern and southern highlands. And actually some pretty good amounts, but again, you have to be pretty high up, so it's only affecting, for instance, the freeways between, say, Montpelier and Preston, and all the highways going into Montana and Wyoming. And you see that continues into Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening, and making a comeback here in the central Idaho mountains. Although it's all light, you're looking at up to an inch for most of these locations, and a few pockets of 1 to 2 inches. And then here on late night, Saturday night, this would be after midnight, so it's actually literally Sunday. You can see it really starts to dry up. So this is the 24-hour amounts for tonight, or today and tonight, so through until tomorrow morning. You can see pretty good here along the Montana border and in sort of the front range of our central Idaho mountains here, the southeast side, where it's getting pretty good, but it does include snow, should be seen between Sun Valley and Stanley. Stanley itself getting less than an inch. And again, they'll be warming above freezing for a lot of these locations in the valleys and in the lower elevations, and so you'll see at least some partial melting, and it'll be tougher to maintain a lot of snow. Then from Saturday morning through Sunday morning around 6 a.m., you can see the focus does shift to still along the Montana border, but now this Wyoming and Utah border regions between that and the Snake River Plain. Some pretty good snowfall. Again, it will hamper travel. Any of these high passes between Swan Valley and the Teton Valley, and anything going into Wyoming. Once again, some pretty good snow. The wind speeds, just to give you an idea of what it will be doing, the answer is not much. See, generally westerly, west-southwesterly wind, and staying at around 10 to 15 miles an hour for a maximum. And same thing tomorrow afternoon, a little bit faster in the Magic Valley, where it's getting up to 15 to 25 miles an hour. So once again, look out for the snow, especially if you're headed to the high country. The thunderstorms and showers will continue again today, intensify during the afternoon, and then the focus during the overnight hours into Saturday will be areas basically south and east of the Snake River Plain or the Snake River, and those thunderstorms will continue into Sunday, and finally we have a clear Monday, and a mostly clear except for the Montana border region on Tuesday. And our first heat wave is coming next week, where temperatures will approach 90, which is about 15 degrees above normal for this time of year. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can call us at that number. Check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.